Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for future updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I have turned my old doormat into a personalized and new doormat. But before moving to that video, if you like the video, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down there below. So let's get started. To make this customized doormat, you need an old doormat, a paper or a clean cardboard, tape, knife, paintbrush. Here I am using Asian Paint Premium Enamel Gloss White Paint. At first, write the word which you want to write on your doormat. You can write any word or you can draw any design. I am writing here welcome sign over there, and here I will draw a heart. So let's start. So this is the result after cutting all the letters. Now take the doormat, place the paper and stick all the sides with this tape. Now take the color and start painting. Press the paper properly and then start painting. Okay, now remove all the tapes and let's see how it has turned out. Oh, I think it has turned out pretty good. What do you think? So this is the final result. It has turned out beautiful. I just loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.